Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I just came back from the Apple store and bought myself a new Apple Watch band. It's the Sports Loop. I wanted one of these and I got the product red Apple Watch Sports Loop. And yeah, let's begin by peeling the tape. So satisfying. All right. And it's this way. Apple Watch. Nothing else in a box. Oh yes, there is. It's the instruction manual. Shows you how to put it on, step by step. There's a little pocket here. Oh, it's for this part. That's cool. Let's take it off. Oh, you unpeel this. Whoa, it actually feels soft. Whoa. Actually feels really nice. Product red. You can see that. It actually looks really cool. And yeah, it actually feels really nice and soft. Let's take my Apple Watch off. I put a Nike band. Should I take the case off to show you how it looks? Yeah, I should. Alright, let's put it in. I think it's, yep, it's this way and this way, and yeah, that's how it is. Let's put it in. This is actually a really nice size. Wow, for my hand, wrist is actually feels nice with the space gray. It looks really nice. Pretty cool. It's like this is Velcro. And yeah, that's it. Even matches the red crown, if you can see. So yeah, that's it. This is a unboxing of the Apple Watch Sport Loop. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and see you next video. Peace out.